Hello and welcome to SteelMade. My name is Annie and today I'm going to be unboxing a Slim Ultimate Kit. To start with, we have the great Utensil Kit. So there's going to be a slotted spatula, a solid spatula, and then 2 squeeze bottles. I usually put water in one and oil in the other. And we have the flat top oil. This is for seasoning, so once you finish cleaning your flat top, you're going to apply a layer of oil and let it bake in. And then we have some flat top scrub. I'm gonna open this up. It is in bubble wrap because it is a glass jar, but if you have anything really sticking to your flat top, you just put a little bit of this scrub on there and it'll help release any of the food excrements or stickiness with some water. And then we have wood oil. So you have wood oil in this kit because this kit does include a cover board for the Slim flat top. So you will want to use this to preserve the wood products or any wood products that we offer. But for your cover board, you'll definitely want to use this about once a month just to make sure that it's not drying out. And then, let's see, we have the flat top up here. So this is the Slim flat top. It's a great size. It's made to cover 2 burners. It can be used on an electric coiled stove or a gas stove. It will set directly on top of the electric coils or the grates for your gas stove. It'll then leave 2 burners available for any pots and boiling, making rice or stew or anything like that. All right, so I got the box open for the cover board. This is a cover board. It's a walnut cover board. You can also get a cover board in maple. There are instructions for care inside this box, so make sure you review those so that you know how to best protect and care for the cover board. But this will be placed directly over the top of the flat top, so it creates much more countertop space and keeps the flat top clean from debris and dirt and dust and, in my case, dog fur all the time. It's a wonderful addition to any kit, and it's included in the Ultimate Kit because it will protect your flat top from any debris or fur or dust. And then also it acts as a cutting board when you are using the flat top. But when not using the flat top, it adds additional countertop space. And it's just beautiful. Makes your kitchen look much more high-end. And here we also have the manual. The manual and the packaging for the manual will include the drip tray. So there's a drip tray inside of here that goes to the Slim flat top. Make sure you don't throw that away because you will want that drip tray to catch any grease. So please open and review, take the drip tray out. It is stainless steel and can be it is dishwasher safe. But please make sure you review the manual and it'll help you prep all of our products and how to care for them properly. If you have any questions that are not answered in this manual, please contact our support team at info@steelmadeusa.com or visit our website and chat with one of our support chat agents at any time. Thank you and have a great day.